In this question, it is given that if the 4 points whose position vectors are this, and this are coplanar, then alpha is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. You must be knowing that if 3 vectors A, B and C are coplanar, then STP of ABC is 0. But this is correct when ABC are 3 vectors. But in present question, there are 4 points A, B, C. Anywhere these 4 points are there, and you have to find the, and if you have to find the condition that these 4 points are lying in a plane, for that, with the help of these 4 points, make any 3 vectors such that every point is included at least once. That is, suppose I make the vector AD, BC, AC. Here every point is included at least once. This thing is not allowed. AD, DC, CA. This is not allowed because B has not been included anywhere. Just make any 3 vectors with the help of these 4 points. All are allowed. And if these 3 vectors are coplanar, it means I can say these 4 points are also coplanar. And for 3 vectors to be coplanar, their STP should be 0. STP means scalar triple product. Let this vector is the position vector of point A, this as position vector of the point B, similarly this as C, and this vector as position vector of the point D. I take any 3 vectors, I say AB, AC and say AD. Yes, we can choose in this way, but note that in the position vector of B, numbers are a bit smaller than others. Then it will be better if I use B maximum number of times. That is, I say AB, BC, BD. It's not any problem. Even if I use BA or AB, makes no problem. All are allowed. And because these 3 vectors are coplanar, hence their STP will be 0. Let me first calculate AB vector. AB means minus 2i plus 6j minus 3k, and BC is minus 3i minus 3j plus 4k, and BD will be 4i minus 2 alpha j minus 2j plus 5k. And now because these 3 vectors are coplanar, their STP will be minus 2, 6, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 2 alpha plus 2 and 5 equal to 0. This implies that 2 minus 6, 3, 3, 3 and minus 4, 4 and 5 equal to 0. Now it will be slightly more easier to deal with. It will be slightly more easier if I name it as, say, lambda. 2 minus 6, 3, 3, 3 minus 4, 4 lambda 5 equal to 0. Now we can easily find the value of lambda from here. Once value of lambda is found, that is, you will get the value of 2 into alpha plus 1 equal to, here you will be writing the value of lambda, and finally we will get the answer 73 by 17. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice.